welcome to Flux AI Leaders Summit 2025, brought to you by E27. We are all for one thing here today, to understand how AI isn't just for big techs, but for smart SMEs like yours.
So we built Flux for a very specific goal in mind, to make the conversation real, useful and local. Not another panel on how AI will change the world, but actual, practical steps to help SMEs in Singapore.
For a lot of the junior salespeople, AI is a game changer. The ability to manage a customer pipeline, generate the right case studies for the right customer, that is wonderful, right?